Hello guys, good day to you all. And in this class you'll be learning in this video you'll be learning how to purchase a domain and hosting using Namecheap. How to purchase hosting and domain using Namecheap. In your previous classes you learned the meaning of how the web works, domains, servers and hosting, how it all works. So as you're aware, having a hosting plan and a domain is super important. Is the first step, actually the first stage, the first step of building a website. So I'm going to be showing you how to purchase one using Namecheap. Namecheap is one of the hosting platforms we have all over the world. We have a lot of hosting platforms. We have Bluehost, we have WP Engine, we have I think Dugate, even Google. We have a lot of hosting plans, even some in Nigeria, some in overseas. Okay, so I'm going to be using Namecheap, and this is the Namecheap dashboard. Just namecheap.www.namecheap.com. This is their website. So when you log into their website, when you open up their website, this is the first thing you see. Okay, make more online for less. Now in this search bar is where you actually search for a domain. It is very important that you make sure that the domain you want is available. Domains are they're like digital footprints, should I say fingerprints, that are so unique. Okay, there cannot be two websites with the same domain. It's not possible. All right, there must be some sort of difference. That is why www.facebook.com, there's no other facebook.com in the world except that particular one. Okay, so you have to search for your domain name. Let's say you have a business, let's say cake business. Okay, the name of your brand is Cake World. All right, Cake World. So you're going to search for www.cakeworld.com, and when you search for it, you check if it is available. You check the availability of the domain. Okay, let's check Cake World. This is just random, right? So let's check Cake World. cakeworld.com. Okay, let me search. All right, okay, it's coming up. All right, cakeworld.com. We have, I don't think it's available. You say it's cakeworld.com, registered in 2010, so it's not available. That is why domains, they need to be super unique. So when you're choosing a brand name, make sure you choose something that is really unique, because I know many of you would like to have a let's say a web design agency at the end of this course, or anything. Maybe you have a personal business. All right, so make sure your business name is actually unique, and so that you can be able to choose the domain of your choice, because now we can't choose Cake World. It's already taken since 2010, registered in Dyna.LLC, an American company. So we have other options. Okay, we have cakeworld.net, which is a premium domain. Premium domains are quite costly, to $275. You can see it here. All right, so we have cakeworld.ai, cakeworld.gg, cakeworld.incorporated. There are many extensions to Cakeworld that you can choose from. Okay, so this is how to search for a domain name here. You can actually search it in any for any platform of your choice, so as to make sure that your domain is available. So let's get back to the main thing, which is purchasing a hosting. So to purchase a hosting, you need to have an account first. So when you go to the account section, which is here, you need to sign up. In this case, you don't have an account, right? So you sign up the normal way we sign up, using our email, password, username, etc. So you sign up. I'm already signed up, so I'll just go ahead and log in. So after signing up, make sure you log in into your account. You sign in and continue. Then you go over here, hosting. You click on hosting. It's going to bring up some of their hosting plans. They have shared hosting, reseller hosting, WordPress hosting, email hosting, VPS, and dedicated servers. The cheapest among this is the shared hosting. All right, the email hosting, in case you're running, want to promote your personal or professional brand with every email, with email, so you can use email hosting. But for this lesson, I'm going to be, we're going to be using shared hosting. Okay. In shared hosting, they have 3 plans: Stellar, Stellar Plus, and Stellar Business. This is for businesses mostly. Okay, but for as a start, just starting, I advise you go for Stellar. This is very cheap, $1.98 per month. Okay, so it's quite cheap, and it's paid per year. Actually, they're going to calculate it per year. Okay, I'm going to show you that next. So we click on get started. These are the features of this particular plan: a domain name, 3 websites. You can have 3 websites, okay, with the same plan, with the same hosting plan. You have a space of 20 gigabytes. You have 30 domain based mailboxes, maximum of 30. So click on get started. So this is the second step: domain name connection. So you are going to connect a domain name. Some people already have domain names, so if you have a domain name, just click on existing domain name and you import it. If you don't have one, just click on new domain name and you search for the domain name of your choice. Since our cakeworld.com is not working out, let's use another thing. Let's say cake world. Okay, let's just see their options and then we choose one. Let's just see their options. Let's see the options they will have. Okay, they have .phone, host sites, press store, update, port, like. Okay, let's use cakeworld.agency. Cakeworld.agency. You can see that it is free of charge. So they give you domain names. Namecheap gives you domain names for the first stage, free, totally free. So you click on the domain name and you click on connect to hosting. So now it's connected to the hosting. You can see it's shared Stellar, $22.88 per year. This is it. We now add it to carts. So we have a total of $23.06. So we add it to carts. Move over to the next step. Okay, we have a subtotal of 23. Now I'm going to tell you there's something you need to know about. Namecheap offers some sort of promo for newcomers. If you are registering with them for the first time, they will give you a promo. Like here we have look at the code here, newcom 598. Maybe you should put this down just in case, right? So if you apply this promo, they're going to give you, I think, $5 discount. Yeah, $5 discount. So whatever is your total, they'll remove $5 because of this promo. Now before we go on and confirm, there's one more thing we need to add. Okay, this is our domain registration. Like I told you, it's per year, all right, but you can pay for 2 years, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so as long as you have the money, you can just choose any one you want. Okay, you can go for 1 year, it's okay. Domain privacy free forever. This is one of the reasons why I like Namecheap. Okay, now premium DNS, we don't need it for now. Now SSL, this is what is super important that you should have in your website. Every website needs an SSL. An SSL is a security certificate. A security certificate for your website. It makes your website to have an HTTPS. Okay, let's check this address bar. Okay, you can see it here, HTTPS. All right, the S stands for secure. So HTTPS signifies that your website is secure. So any website that doesn't have HTTPS, that is HTTP. Any website with just HTTP, it means the website is insecure. There cannot be secure transactions, secure inflow and outflow of data in that website. Anything you're doing in that website, just make sure that it is not safe. Anybody can listen into it. All right, so you need to buy this SSL. You buy an SSL, and that's just the last thing you need. So we have a total of $29 now. 29. So when you apply your discount, that would be like $24. That's what you'll be paying for the domain, your hosting plan, and your SSL. All right. So I'm going to now confirm the order. I need to bring up the payment. Okay, so now you have to add your payment details. There are 3 payment methods. You can use a card, you can use a PayPal, and you can use account funds. If you have a functional card like a dollar card or Visa, MasterCard, you can use it to make your payment, but I don't know if it's going to actually work, because currently in Nigeria there's a little bit of problem making payments online using our cards. So you can try it out. If it works, fine. If you have a virtual dollar card, it's definitely going to work. Okay, now you use that to make a payment, or use a PayPal. If you have a functional PayPal account, you can use your PayPal. Or if you have account funds deposited, I don't have enough account funds, so if you have account fund, that is Namecheap account funds, you can use it. They will subtract the money from your account funds. Okay, so after doing this, you now click on scroll down, right? You can leave this on or off, anyone. This is automatically renew all of my eligible new service before expiration. Sorry, so they can actually renew it for you before it expires if you want. If you don't want to, leave it off. Okay, then you click on save the configuration. No need of doing the save configuration, blah blah blah. Then you continue. All right, when you click on continue, it's going to deduct the money from either your card, your PayPal, or your account funds, anyone that you choose. So I'm going to, okay, after that you have your domain and you have your hosting already. So now I'm going to show you how I do it. Sometimes I use account funds because my cards don't always work, so I make use of account funds. So I'm going to show you how I quickly do it. So when you go to your dashboard, this is your dashboard. Okay, here you see account balance, top up. So I'm going to click on top up. I'm going to click on top up. Then we use PayPal or Bitcoin. What I use is Bitcoin. Okay, I use Bitcoin to fund my accounts most times. So when you click on Bitcoin, click on next. You choose the amount that you want. Let's say $20. I use BitPay, not BTC Pay. Both of them works, but I'm going to show you BitPay. So click on BitPay and add funds. Okay, it's going to open up a screen on a BitPay screen. All right, now you're going to choose the wallets that you use. There are a lot of wallets here. I know many of us use Bitcoins, right? There is Trust Wallet, there is Luno, there is Coinbase. You can see it here. There's Electron Cash, there's MetaMask, the one from Facebook. A lot of wallets. I use Luno, so I'm just going to click on Luno. It's the same process. You click on Luno, continue, and you're going to impute. You choose the one I want to use to pay Bitcoin. Support only Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. So I'm going to input my email address. Once I input my email address and agree to these 2 things, right, it's going to bring up the address. It will bring up their Bitcoin address. I'm going to just log into my Luno account and make the transfer to the address. It is fast, super fast. It takes less than a minute. They will credit you immediately. So once they do that, you just go back to your Namecheap account, go back to Namecheap, go back to your cart. This is your cart, and you just go ahead and make the payment, confirm order, and you just go to account funds. Since you have funded account, you go to your account funds. All right, by then you should have enough money in your account. So if you're paying, let's say you're paying $29, you're paying $29, right? So make sure you fund it with at least $30 or $31, just to be on the safe side. Okay, so you fund it with enough money, and then make your payments. Continue. That is exactly how to buy a hosting and a domain using Namecheap. All right, I'll see you guys in the next class.